All right, so I'm back working on the ZX6R. I got a ton of parts to get this bike somewhat back to looking normal. So I'm just gonna kind of get into it and just start throwing stuff on. There's a lot of things that, big things that need to get like painted. Like the frame, I'm gonna paint the frame, the swing arm, the wheel, front and rear wheel. Engine case covers, all that sort of stuff. But God, I got a new tank too. I'm pretty stoked on the tank. So I'm gonna go with white. I even got the fairings too. I got some white fairings. I think it's gonna look really good as a white Ninja, white ZX6R Ninja. So yeah, we'll kind of just get into it. So I got a few things painted. I got the subframe, rear subframe painted, the battery tray painted, this exhaust fairing thingy, manifold, whatever painted. Got the swing arm painted, and the wheel painted, as well as the rear tire mounted on. I also got the frame painted. It turned out pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. It's definitely not the OEM color, but it's, I don't know. I think it looks good. I think I'll be able to pull it off. But yeah, I got most of the stuff painted. I do just got to do, I got to do the front wheel. Once I get the rear wheel on and all that sort of stuff, I think the front wheel is probably going to be one of the last things I honestly do, with how everything's going. I got some of the coolant hoses taken off. I'm going to go with these red coolant hoses. I thought it'd be a pretty cool look, with the white. So I'm kind of just, I don't know, going for it right now. I think I'm going to throw on the rear sets I bought, and I might even throw on like the levers and stuff like that. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep on working on it. Managed to get the swing arm on, rear shock, rear wheel on. Yeah, so got the swing arm painted, frame painted, wheel painted, that stuff painted. I'm gonna probably wait to put the rear subframe on. I'll probably do the tank first, get the tank on, the exhaust, and then probably pressure wash it really good. And yeah, so that's it for today. I'm gonna take a break, call it a day, and I will get back to it tomorrow. So see ya.